Hello everyone, I have another package from West, and this is supposed to be my new phone. I was waiting for it for over a month, but finally it is here. Okay, so they sent the adapter for the power plug. So, double plastic, and here is the phone. Well, as you can see on the box, it has a little bumps on it, but you know it's a long way from China. So here are the specs. Hopefully my camera is gonna focus. Alright, so it's a Xiaomi Mi Note 2, and it's the 6GB version. So as you can see, it has a 5.7-inch screen, a 22 megapixel camera, 4000 mAh battery, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and Snapdragon 821 processor. So let's see what is inside the box. I don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus automatically. So here is the phone. Oh, it looks really nice. It's a little lighter than I expected. I guess it might be lighter than my current phone. It looks nice and it feels good in the hand. So it has a headphone jack, what is a good thing. USB Type-C port. But let's see what else in the box. Well, a case, it's good. It's not the soft case, it's a little harder. Some paper in Chinese, a SIM tray tool, a charger. So that's, I mean, probably it was obvious that that's why they send this little adapter, and a USB Type-C cable. So let's see if the phone has any battery in it. As I said, it traveled well over a month, so it had a long way from China to Hungary. Okay, let me just remove this screen protector from here. Wow, it looks really nice. I'm gonna remove it from the back as well. Probably that's the first and only time when I'm gonna see the phone without fingerprints, because fingerprints gonna be there obviously. So let's see. Okay, for the sake of this video I'm gonna set it to English, and probably later I'm gonna set it to Hungarian. We will see. Or I might just leave it in English. Keyboard. doesn't really matter, later I'm gonna change it anyway. So my Wi-Fi password, not like there is a chance that you're gonna come here, but I'm just rather not showing you my Wi-Fi password. I'm sorry guys. Well, SIM card is not yet installed, obviously. Yes. Okay, so my yes, for the second attempt I figured out my password. Not yet. Wow, my Mi account. I'm not sure I'm registered the phone number to my Mi account, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So I already went through most of the setups. So here I can, I guess, to add my fingerprint, or maybe not. So let me try to add my fingerprint. So okay, so here I can select the theme. Okay, so let me select the black one first, and I'm gonna change the wallpaper later anyway. Oops. Okay, so black one it is. So it seems I completed the setup. And it's still loading apps. So here we are, finally. So obviously it's not the latest phone. It was released over a year ago, but still it's the specifications for the price if it works fine, then it's gonna be a great phone, a great deal. Let me try to raise the brightness of the screen. It seems it's not even a maximum brightness, but it seems bright enough. Anyway, I don't like too bright screens, so it's gonna be fine. So I guess, as I see, there is no little, no, it's not loaded with the all kinds of Chinese apps, but I don't know what they are. So far it seems good. Okay, let me try the camera, if you're already here. So let me find something. So the focusing time seems quick, and that's a good thing. It's unlike the iPhone S8 what I had for a week, what was terrible, the focusing time and the overall camera performance. It already seems better, much better. So okay, so just checking this one also, because if you watch my previous videos, that was an issue with the iPhone S8. Okay, so here are the settings. So I guess I will have to go through all these a little later, and hopefully, I'm gonna make a little review video also. It's kind of just the first impressions, and my first impressions are good. It seems to be a really good phone, a really nice phone. So far so good. So far I like this phone. Thank you for watching. It was the unboxing and the first impressions, my first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi Note 2. And thank you for watching. God bless.